Thanks for joining us for a fantastic game. Like and subscribe for more. Pawn to e4 is the best move.
This is a book move. The opening is called Alekhine Defense.
Pawn to e5.
This is a book move. The opening is called Alekhine Defense, normal variation.
Pawn to d4.
Pawn to d6.
This is a book move. The opening is called Alekhine Defense.
Knight to b6 is best. This defends a rook on e8.
Pawn to f4 is the best move.
Pawn captures on d6.
Knight to c3 is excellent. This develops a knight. Bishop to e2 is best. This develops a bishop.
Pawn to g6.
Bishop to e3 is excellent. This develops a bishop. Knight to f3 is best. This develops a knight.
Bishop to g7 is best. This defends a rook on height. This develops a bishop. This fianchettos the bishop by putting it on a powerful diagonal.
Rook to c1 is excellent. This develops a rook. Knight to f3 is best. This develops a knight.
Kingside castle is best.
Pawn to b3.
Bishop to f5.
Pawn to g4 is best. This attacks the bishop. This move gains a tempo.
Bishop to d7 is best.
Bishop to g2 is good. This defends a rook on home. This attacks the pawn. This develops a bishop. This fianchettos the bishop by putting it on a powerful diagonal. Pawn to h4 is best.
Knight to c6 is the best move.
Pawn to d5 is best. This attacks the knight.
Knight to e5.
Pawn to h3 is best.
Pawn to f5.
Pawn to f4 is the best move.
Knight from file e catches on c4 is the best move.
Pawn catches on c4.
Knight captures on c4.
Bishop to d4 is best. This offers a trade.
Knight to b2 is best. This attacks the queen.
Queen to d2 is best. This defends a bishop and pawn on g2 and f4. This attacks the knight.
Bishop captures on d4 is best. This is a trade.
Queen captures on d4 is best.
Queen to b6 is best. This offers a trade. This attacks the queen.
Queen captures on b6.
Pawn captures on b6 is the best move.
Rook to b1 is the best move.
Pawn captures on g4 is excellent. This is a trade. Pawn to b5 is best.
Knight from file g to e2 is best. This defends a pawn on f4. This develops a knight.
Pawn to b5 is best.
Rook to b1 is excellent. This attacks the knight. Rook to c2 is best. This attacks the knight.
Knight to c4 check is the best move.
King to d3.
Pawn to g5 is good. This offers a trade. Bishop to f5 check is best.
Pawn captures on g4 is the best move.
Pawn captures on f4 is best. This is a trade.
Bishop to e4 is best.
Knight to e5 check is the best move.
King to d2 is best.
Knight to c4 check.
King to d3 is the best move.
Knight to e5 check.
King to d2 is excellent. King to c2 is best.
Rook to f7 is the best move.
King to d3. The game is over. It ended in a draw.